Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. My focus is to incorporate more protein, more fiber, and more healthy fats in my life, and I'm here to share some recipes that have been working for me with you. So today we're making something really delicious. We're making pumpkin chocolate cookie bars. So these cookie bars are, I was struggling on whether or not to call them cookie bars because it was kind of a combination between a cookie bar and a blondie, I would say. So it's like a fudgy cookie, I would say. They are really easy to make. One bowl, they're gluten-free. We're combining oat flour with almond flour. I'm sneaking in a little flaxseed in there as well. We're using pumpkin puree and lots of pumpkin pie spice in the recipe as well. So if you would like the recipe on how to make a pumpkin spice blend, I will include the video here of my pumpkin cottage cheese loaf where I have the instructions on how to do that for you. So this recipe comes together very quickly. Your house is going to smell incredible, and my husband absolutely loved them. So I hope you love them too. So let's make this really easy pumpkin chocolate cookie bar recipe. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. We're going to grab a large bowl, and we're also going to need a whisk and a spatula or a wooden spoon. We're going to start off with 1 egg, 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, good quality maple syrup. You can use whatever sweetener you like. This is a 1/4 cup of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter. That is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to give that a whisk. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can do this before you whisk your wet ingredients or after, doesn't really matter. We're just going to mix that through. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, whatever you like. And we're just going to mix that through. This already smells incredible. That's it for your wet ingredients. Now the dry. We're adding 1.5 cups of oat flour, 1/2 cup of almond flour, and 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. We want to mix our dry ingredients until it's just combined. You still want to see some flour just before you add your chocolate chips. I'm using 1/3 cup of the Delectable chocolate chips. I love this chocolate chip because they melt so much better than a regular chocolate chip. And again, we're just going to mix that through until it's just combined and we don't see any flour. And that's it. We are going to now put this in our 8x8 pan, and we're just going to spread it from corner to corner in an even layer. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra chocolate chips on top. You don't have to do this, but this is a dessert, so I will. And I'm just going to press them in just a little before baking. And now it's time to bake. 350, 18 to 22 minutes. I prefer to slightly underbake so they remain a little fudgier. Here are our gluten-free pumpkin chocolate cookie bars. They are so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these pumpkin chocolate cookie bars, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.